Yo, 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 yo. I see Sudha has just started joining us. Sudha, did that look quite cool when it changed? When it went over from preview loading to the main screen. Did you see how cool it looked? Right. I love this feature. Yeah, look, watch this. You hide if your screen's like that, and then you're just faffing around with this area here and you don't know where you are. Just right click, reset chart, or just double click on that price range, and yes, wicked. See that? Now I never get lost where my charts are. Just double click, boom boom, and it comes up straight away. Boom boom on the other side as well. See that? Wicked, man. Pop pop. There you go. Price is moving absolutely shit again. Told you guys yesterday we're looking to come down, man. Price didn't even stay up. Even in New York session, price came right back down. But it's still gonna wait for everyone to join us. We still got ages left. Normally people start joining us roughly around about 9 o'clock to 9:30. Oh no, 1 second guys, I haven't connected my, that's why I can't see my chat. 1 second. Boom. Boom. There you go. There you go. There I can see Leroy, my man. Leroy has joined. Morning, brother. Good morning. I sent you the links, Leroy, yesterday. Did you manage to have a look at them? La, la, la. Yeah. Yesterday was good. Did you see yesterday? I knew the market was coming down. Yes, thanks, bro. Leroy, look, yeah. I was secretly building my my what's it called? To know my trade syncer copy trading. Look, I was secretly building it up. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 new apexes on there and the take profit trader one. I thought, let me just build this shit up. But I made kind of a mistake, yeah, because when I got the, ooh, my lights are not on. 1 second. Let's get some light in here. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I made a mistake. When I bought the Apex accounts, I went for the cheapest option. So I just got the intraday trailing ones. But then it was annoying because, okay, I only need $1,500 to pass, which is fine. You can do that slowly, like over a few days. I can pass that, but then when you're passed, you're on fucking intraday trailing drawdown as well. Even on the Apex accounts, you need to create a buffer on the intraday trailing. So I think the buffer will be like $1,500 again to take a payout. So yeah, it is what it is. But if I can do it with Take Profit Trader, then there's nothing really stopping me for intraday on Apex. But I really don't like trailing drawdown, because trailing drawdown is what really messes people up. Especially on Take Profit Trader, and now I've got the same bloody things on Apex as well. So maybe next time I might not go for these trailing drawdown counts on Apex and just do the standard ones. Rick Royale, yo yo yo, Rick Royale, how's it going, mate? You alright? We're getting a lot of people. I had to block some people yesterday, you know. Like, I had some nice people that were just chatting so nicely, but when people were chatting in the chat, the couple of the guys, they were just like taking the piss out of the people in the chat, and I didn't like that. So I just blocked them, even though they could have been good for the community, just for me, but they would have been good for me, but not for the community. So yeah, Doing well, bro. You? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you very much. Good. Thank you. Thank you. How are you doing, Rick Royale? You having a good morning so far? Yeah, for me it's night. Oh yeah, shit. Where are you from again, Rick Royale? Are you from New Zealand sides, Australia somewhere? Have a look. What was I gonna look at? Oh, California. Okay. Yo, that's like crazy. So even the time from California and New York, that differs as well. That's mad. We pushed down big time yesterday, guys. Let's have a look. You have to be up at 6 a.m. every day to trade. Madness. But I suppose it's good because if you catch something early, then you can just chill for the rest of the day and then maybe just get a little midday or afternoon nap in. Couple of 40 minutes power nap, 45 minutes. Yes, so let me just let's remove the 17 drawings. I've been using this as like as artwork. Let's remove this 17 drawings. Don't know why I have 17 drawings on my chart. That's one nice thing. Yeah, I suppose so. Getting up early, just getting the trades in and then just relaxing, or I lose. It's a long day. Yeah, I know what you mean, man. When it's just, that's the part of the psychology that I've not actually quite conquered yet. I've not conquered myself at that point where I take a loss and I'm like, I'm okay with it. I kind of get pissed off, and then throughout the day it's still playing on my mind, and there does get a point in the day where I just have to just go back on the charts again, and then you fuck shit up even more, because sometimes you can just catch a revenge trade, an oversized, over leveraged one, and just make your losses back and a quick profit. But really, they're the trades that you should be upset with, and you should be happy with taking a loss if it's part of your game plan. But it's mad. Psychology and trading is just absolutely fucking crazy. I never knew this type of psychology existed until I came into trading. I think the more data we collect on a model proving it works, the easier it is to take the loss. Yes, that's right. Because then with all that data overall in your mind, you know, okay, I took a loss today, and then tomorrow or the day after I'll probably catch that winner that will make back my losses. But it's just on the day seeing red across all your accounts, or just that one account, and you think it's all the efforts you put in, isn't it? That you think, yes, I'm getting somewhere now. I'm getting somewhere. Loss, and then you spiral out of control. That's the worst part of trading. And it takes, sometimes it can take, it took me like just that alone. I didn't know psychology was fucking with me even when I first started trading. So for the whole 2 years when I started trading to when I started understanding trading, that them whole 2 years, that psychology part is what fucked me up the most. Now that I know trading, I know everything, and I'm getting my data and everything, I'm getting more confidence in executing my trade. Psychology still fucks me up because I'm not 100% confident in the trades that I'm executing. So it's the trades that you're executing you need to be confident in when you're taking the trade. That's when you fucking mastered it. If you're scared when you take the trade, then that means you're still not 100% confident in your strategy. So I'm still working on that part. So yeah, I'm not perfect, even though I make it look like I'm 100% perfect online. I'm not fucking perfect. I still make mistakes. I still blow accounts. And to be fair, even when I'm advanced trader, I'm still going to be fucking blowing accounts. Yeah, it's all relative. The psychology will always be there. It's all confidence, like you said. Yeah, man. It's like anything in life, isn't it? It's like when you first started playing Sonic the Hedgehog as a child, and you're trying to make the jump, and you keep falling on spikes, and you keep making the jump, and you keep falling on spikes, and you keep getting another try. Exactly the same in trading. It's just a fucking game. Just keep trying and trying. You take a shot, like basketball, like football. You take a shot. You're missing, then you score. And then you think, fuck, okay, your confidence builds a little bit. I got it. And then, bam, you score another one. Innit, Leroy? Leroy's laughing. Leroy's like, this fucker is going to miss another trade today. Well, Leroy, yesterday, I actually, I went off the charts. Let me see if I can bring it up on Tradezilla. When I finished yesterday, I put 2 videos up of the 2 trades that I didn't miss on purpose, but it didn't hit my sell limit. So price came very close to the sell limit and then fucking left without me, and it actually went on to hitting take profit, and it happened twice yesterday. And then I managed to catch one. After I picked my son up from school, New York session. That was nice. Yeah, I put the 2 videos up. They're the 2 recent videos on my TikTok. They're pretty good. So we got this area here, which is the fair value gap. But as we're clearly now in the downtrend, we will mark this red, because right now that will be the danger zone, and we're gonna fly down. I see, guys, catch big R trades, being in pop firm leaderboards, it messes with me still sometimes. Yeah, but I stick to my rules and plan. That's all we can do. That's all we have power over. Just try sticking to our rules. That's all we have power over. All right, guys, so this area here, we're pushing up. The big area here, we're coming down. So this area here is showing us we're possibly retracing up. We've got a supply zone here, and we've got a fair value gap here. So I will mark out the supply zone area as well. We'll do that, and I will make that. Oh, motherfucker, that's nothing. I will make that red also, because there are 2 danger zones at the top for me. Guys, where is everyone today? Is TikTok just going to be strange and not push my live out as usual? Yo, afternoon times, the live gets pushed out a lot. And then we were getting like, hi, Annette Erlington, 1947. Whoop, whoop. Annette, I came on the New York session later on, and I actually caught a trade. Yeah. Did you end up taking another entry? Because I remember you were saying that you had the itch for it, and then you couldn't just leave trading alone yesterday after your 1 win. Did you catch another win yesterday, or did you just let it go? Very nice. I took another entry but lost. Oh, okay. But you were still in profits, right? So that's the 1 hour fair value gap and 1 hour supply zone. Then I will drop down now to the 30 minutes, see if we can tighten this up. So this area is now going to be pushed up like that. This area is now going to be pushed up there. That, because this fair value gap here is mitigated. So let's see what happens in this area here. Let's see. But price possibly can just continue pushing down from here, but we need to see. We have to just sit on our hands and wait, because there is no entry at the moment. So that's the 30 minute. Let's see the 15 minute telling us anything different. Yeah, 15 minute is, I'm just gonna stick to that area for my 30 minute, fuck it, because it's not showing me anything different. Let's have a look if we get a nice break of structure to the downside on the 1 minute time frame, and then we'll see. Otherwise, yeah, still well in profit. Yeah, very well. You caught an excellent trade yesterday. I was surprised with that. A few of the guys caught that trade. After that, the price just kept dumping, so maybe you could have just held on to your trade and just let it run. Oh no, because what happened is price actually on the New York Open, price actually went all the way up, tapping that same area again and then pushing all the way down. Should we have a quick look at it? So let's go into the 15 minute time frame. Oh no, so your entry was here right at the top, and then price pushed all the way down. It retraced back all the way, pushed all the way back down again, and then in the New York session, yeah, it just retraced oh no, that was the New York session open, sorry. So it possibly could have tapped you out, maybe, depending on where your stop loss was here. So this is where you entered down here. Price pushed all the way down, and then New York Open, it retraced, pushed all the way back up. Maybe if your stop loss was above that, you could have kept that trade held and you would have made massive profits all the way down. Or you could have just caught another entry the second time round. Annette smashed it though. That was a good trade, Annette. I loved it. Very good. Jolly satisfied face. Annette Erlington. I shall look at the news events and see what's been happening or what's going to happen today. And every single day we've had a random news event, which is a red folder news event. So we just have to be super careful. So Europe's got a red folder news event in 6 minutes. That shouldn't really affect us at all. But prop firms just tend to put any old bullshit in just to fuck people up. 11 AM, there's a retail sales in Europe. And then there's no news until 4:40 PM. Yeah, that's good. Not really much happening on the news. Forex Factory tells us something different, and Trump does some bullshit. Danny, did you take the early bird long this morning? No, I was early bird. I was getting ready, and then I have to like get ready to take my son to school and stuff. So yeah, nothing. 4:40 PM on Forex Factory, nothing. Let's have a look at the early bird trade. Where was the early bird trade this morning? Have a look. Did you catch the early bird trade, bro? The early bird trade was literally fucking here. What's the thoughts on Euro USD? Sorry if you've already talked about it. No, Joe, I've not talked about Euro USD at the moment. We're currently on futures markets yet. Sorry, Leroy, was yours this one here? Shit, man. I kind of know what kind of trades you're actually taking and what you're going for. Bro. That's some serious shit, you know. If I can catch them, yo, we'll be making the big money, man. I know exactly what type of trade you go for, because I can just spot it with my eye, even on the 1 minute time frame. I love that. Yeah, Leroy, I like that. I like that a lot. Joe, sorry. Let's have a look. Euro USD. Let's have a look at my thoughts on Euro USD if it lets me load it down here. Because you're on Forex, Joe. Are you doing Forex prop firms? New to trade. Oh, you're new to trading, so just figuring things out. Okay. If you're new to trading, is it the Forex market you want to go down? Because every new trader, including me, I went down the Forex route, and the Forex route is what destroyed many of us. Many of us. Okay, what's actually going on here? One second, guys. Oh, it was nothing. Okay. Yeah, man, this FX Nella's gotta go. Yeah. So every time someone comes on to trading, like every time someone comes into the trading market, they always go to Forex, and Forex is the one that really fucks people up. I lost like £80,000 in Forex when I first started. It destroyed me, but luckily I fucking continued learning it and doing it. Otherwise I would have been 80k down, looking for a job right now. Yeah, so Joe, if you're new to trading, what I'd say is look at different types of trading. Look at people who are in the futures market, look at people in the Forex market, and just do some comparing. Just watch YouTube videos and just see how traders trade, and if it fits your lifestyle and the way you trade, and if you like it. Because I moved from Forex, and so many traders have moved from Forex and CFD prop firms over to futures, just because one, it's cheaper to get futures prop firms, and it's a little bit easier to pass them rather than CFDs, because on CFDs you have to make like £10,000 or $10,000 on phase one, and then or $8,000 on phase one, and then it's double that, $10,000 or $15,000 on phase two. Is stupid. It's just crazy. Hell, do you do one-to-one? Hell, you've asked me this so many times. You've came on, you've asked me, do you do one-to-one, since over a few months ago. Yes, I do one-to-one, and we have group trading, like we trade live every single day like this. So you can just ask if you don't want to do a one-to-one for now, and you just want to like learn and see how things are going. You can actually just trade live with us every single day and ask questions until you're more confident, because watching me trade, you'll start understanding things, and then you'll start going out on YouTube and trying to figure things out yourself and find things out yourself, rather than paying for one-to-one and then you'll be out of pocket. So I always tell everybody, you don't want to just I need help with my account. What account do you need help with? Joe says, okay, I'll have a look at that. Open-minded. Yes, you got to be open-minded in trading, bro. Don't want you guys to lose lots and lots of money like I did when I first started. So I'm here. I don't need to be here, but I'm here every single day. One, I get bored trading. Two, I love fucking chatting. I love chatting to people. And three, is because I'm sitting here trading, I don't mind giving back to the community for free. I don't like to say I'm not like those scammers out there trying to sell signals and I want some sort of subscription or some fee for something. If I have to really go out my way, then I will charge people. But if I'm trading anyway, I'll just give out advice for free as well. It don't really bother me. Annette, I want to take buys at around 390. Let's have a look at 390. Are you on Dow Jones or the US there? You want to take buys. Okay, so you're going to wait for price to come right down. Oh, okay, I see you. So on the higher time frame, you've had quite a bit of rejection from that area. So that's where you want to take a buy. Okay. I do get where you're coming from. I'm not seeing nice price action right now, so I can't take an entry. Set it all up. Have no clue. Okay, so what do you want to set up, Hell? Do you want to set up trading view account? You want to get it connected to some sort of broker, some sort of prop firm, and you want to start trying to take entries and trades? Is that where you're having a problem? Thank you very much, Frequency Trading. Thank you very much for following. Guys, do you know what? Yeah, we don't get absolutely a crazy amount of people at this time. But later on, when I leave at 10 o'clock, have a 2-hour break, and then I come back at 12 p.m. Thank you very much, VOC. Thank you very much for following. When I come back at 12 p.m., we end up getting hundreds and hundreds of people. It's absolutely wicked. But the thing is, I like coming out at 8 a.m. One, I like to trade at this time. And two, I'm trying to build a community, an early bird community, like a London session early bird. You don't get a lot of that. So I'm trying to build. And then you only get like a small amount of traders at this time, which is really, really good. Hell says yes. Okay, Hell, DM me and I'll help you out, because it's going to be long for me to help you out this way. VOC, is trading 212 good app to start on? Yes and no. It depends what type of trading you want to do. If you want to do proper trading, like execute trades and make money, day trading, swing trading, scalping, I'd go with something like TradingView. But then you have brokers that have their own platforms, which you can use as well, depending on which broker you want to go with. But then you have prop firms. They have their own platforms as well, like Alpha Trader, Project X, Trade of 8, Ninja Trader. So there's so many different platforms. Maybe YouTube something about what platforms you'd like to trade on, or what platforms are out there, what platforms best for trading, because you get MT5 and everything. And then see. Guys, bring the questions in, man. We're ready to help everyone. I can see we've got a Mandy Sangira here. You're like, are you new here? I've not seen you in the group. I think I have seen you in the group once before, actually. Hey, what's happened? I've just clicked on Mandy Sangira. Sorry. Are you a trader? Are you looking to trade? Are you interested in trading? Matt French in the house. Laura Hartley in the house. Sometimes trading is so long. Just shoot for me. Just shoot me now. It is. So this is what I would have liked, yeah. This is what I would have liked. Sometimes you just got to sit and wait. If you're a bad boy like Leroy, you'll catch the early bird moves and then you can enjoy the rest of your day. You don't have to piss around with nothing. But look at this, yeah. Price pushed up, retraced down, couldn't break structure to the downside. It pushed up, breaking structure to the upside. Now everybody would have thought, okay, let's take a buy down here. Yeah, but what happened was price just pushed down. Don't ring me. And then price pushed back up here and then just continued dumping. So really, that's not nice price action right now. It's not nice. In the short. You in this short, yeah? Did you catch this one? Maybe someone may want to look for like a retracement and then another continuation to the downside. A7 Medinio in the house. It's nice for shorts. Yes, you're right. But you're just not getting a nice retracement, and that's been happening a lot. So someone must have literally caught this one here. Like literally from 78.6. Literally from there. You're winning today. No, I was winning last night, and I've just come on a little while ago, so I'm not actually taking it. I blew a fresh eval on trying long this shit. A7 Medinio. I've got a feeling, brother, that you're oversizing to pass evaluations and then blowing accounts. I've really got a feeling like gambling a bit. I can get a payout if I succeed on a move today. Yes, you will, Annette. You will succeed on a move today, but what you need to do is take a nice A+ entry. Don't take no trade unless it all fits with all your rules, and then execute. This would have been the perfect trade. I would have liked this. I just didn't know what London session opening started doing, but it was good price action. That was very, very good price action. The only thing I didn't like was this little bit here, coming into the 50%, not breaking below there and then going above. That's the only reason I didn't take this trade, just because that kind of was tricking me. But overall, that was perfect. So I think Leroy might have caught this short. You know how I trade, so now I'm in the short. Leroy! I need to execute on them kind of trades. That's actually my style of trading, you know. So Leroy, do you stick just to this lower time frame, or do you do higher time frame analysis like I do? Because I do high time frame analysis and then I enter on the 5-3-2-1, mainly the 3-2-1. A7 Medinio half past. A7 in the house. Rye, morning. Good morning, Rye. Leroy, same like you. Yeah, Leroy, there's some something cooking with that strategy, isn't there? I don't know what to say, but I think we're onto something, bro. I think we're onto something like big. Because imagine now this year, that's the only problem with like trading and going live and chatting. I pay attention more to fucking chatting rather than focusing on the charts. I might have to switch it around now, guys, where I'm not really giving out too much advice and talking too much bullshit, and start taking entries. The tighter the stop loss, the bigger the reward. But saying that, that was a 1-4. That would have been absolutely beautiful today. That was a 1-4. If you wanted to put it just there, that would have brought it to a 1-5. Wanted it tighter, that would have been a 1-9. Wow. Fucking hell, it kept going. So, to be fair, my entry would have been here, like that. This would have had to be higher. So it would have still been roughly around 1-6. That would have been nice. A 1-6 trade right there. Absolutely beautiful. Fucking beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love trading. I love trading, guys. Who else here loves trading? Yep, cons rule, bruv. Leroy, the strategy works really good. Yep, that's right, Leroy. About to hit buy limit soon. And Annette's gonna go to the let's have a look, Annette. Let's just drop down to the higher time frame. Annette's looking roughly around about here. 390 area. So she's had some rejection here. I don't know where you'd put your stop loss on how much you go, but Annette, if you look at the overall trend, it has reversed to a downtrend. Wow. Price did reject here, came back into the same area, rejected again, pushed up, breaking structure to the upside, but now price is coming back into your area again. Yeah, so and that possibly it might work. A7 Medino, good job, brother. Leroy, done for the day. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. I love that. I love that trade. I love that trade, Leroy. That was a fucking A+ banging setup, my brother. I love that. Fucking love it. That was absolutely brilliant. Go for a sell here. Put that there. That was about 15. We didn't want to risk that much. To say 1 mini. 8. Yo, that trade, even risking just $200, would have made $1,000. That's an absolute fucking banger of a trade. I love that. I fucking love it. Jesus King 33771. Hello, my bro. Portfolio is up from 27k to 126k from Monday. Should I still trade until Friday? Bro, you are that much of a fucking expert. Your portfolio has made $199,000, yeah, or pounds or whatever, 99k you've made, and you're asking me if you should trade until Friday. Bro, you're doing better than me. You don't need advice from me. You're the king. You're killing it. Rai's like, no. He's like, fucking book a holiday and fuck off out of here. I love that, Rai. Risk. Thank you very much for following Jesus King. Risk it all to double it. Yo, A7 Medino is gonna say that. A7 Medino killed it. Imagine, yeah, A7 Medino. Imagine if he doesn't listen to Ryan, books the holiday and don't book the holiday, but he doubles down like you're saying, and then and then tomorrow his portfolio is fucking down to about 5k. Even Annette is like full port today. That is so funny. I love that. Leroy's even laughing. That's absolutely brilliant. Oh, fucking love that. Maybe Nvidia. Advice. Yeah, it's not. Now A7 Medina is protecting himself. Like, it's not financial advice. Oh, absolutely brilliant. I love that. That's funny. No, don't actually do it. Oh, mate, that's so funny. It's nice to like chat to some like-minded people in the morning, man. It's a fresh of breath air for real. I remember, man, I used to have to wake up every single day early and travel. I used to travel sometimes 2-3 hours to get to work, and 2 hours or something like that to get back some days, depending on where I was in the country. Oh my god, I did some horrible jobs that included a lot of travel. Oh mate, in the corporate world. I didn't like the fucking corporate world. The only good thing about it was I was young, I was having fun, and I used to like the women. That's what it was. And I used to love going work because I used to like to go to see the women. That's all I used to like to do. I used to hate my job. I fucking hated my job. I got some really funny videos at work as well of us guys just messing around, sleeping and this and that, doing dumb shit. But then I worked. The one job I actually really liked going to, and I liked doing the job. I didn't mind the job, was when I was an IT contractor for the NHS back in East Midlands. That was really, really good. Hey bro, do you have a Discord server? I'm going to be having a Discord server uploaded this Friday. I've been saying it for the past 2-3 weeks, but this Friday is definitely going to be up. I need to create a link. I need to set my Discord up in a way where it blocks the bots and stuff out before anyone joins in with my link. Otherwise everyone will be jumping on it. So these crazy bots and shit and all these fucking trade signal sellers. Bet bro, I'll see you around. Yeah, just stay online, man. Just stay with us. Love the stream. Yeah, man. I love how you turned up today, this morning, first time as well, bro. I like that. Your jokes, you brought us some laughs on that. That was absolutely brilliant, bro. Jesus King, wait for another 2 weeks. I've been asking him since I met him. Bro, A7 Medino, look, man. Do you know what it is? I've not got a big, massive community in it. It's just a few of us, yeah. So I'm thinking, and then I always get put off by the idea, or should I have a Discord? There's only fucking, we get loads of us joining and watching over the pre-New York session as well, but fuck it, I should just bring it up, shouldn't I? I'll do it on Friday. I promise, guys, I'll bring it up on Friday. Hope the jobless claim make a nice pump. Oh yeah, you're right. Is that what news event we got later on? No, we ain't got we just got some speeches. Gov Bailey speaks. No, lot longer, A7. Ask him. Also, long time. Yeah, 3 red folder jobless claim news. Right, guys, I promise on Friday we'll have the Discord up and ready. Yeah, 3 red folder jobless claim news. Annette, is that today? Sorry, because I can't see no news today. Oh, yellow folder. Sorry. Yes, you're right. You've got continuing jobless claims. I was thinking it's a red folder news event. I'm sorry. What's all this non-farm shit? Because I was talking to my cousin about this yesterday evening. I keep seeing all this non-farm bullshit, but I always thought non-farm payroll was every first Friday of the month. And now all this week, I'm seeing some non-farm bullshit yesterday. I've seen some non-farm stuff today, whatever this is. Tomorrow, some non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So that's the actual non-farm payroll of red folder news tomorrow. So that's the one, guys. You have to be very careful with that one. That's the bastard one. A7 Medino, Thursday no news plus the news on Friday. So tomorrow, as in Thursday, gonna be choppy price action. Do you know what I've noticed? That when it's the first week of every month, there's always some sort of choppy bullshit. Crypto TikToks, how you doing, my brother? A7 Medino, yo guys, full port on Friday. A7 Medino, we love it, man. We love it, bro. We love it. I love how we can have banter in here as well. Guys, do you know what? Anybody that's watching us, you're not confident enough in your trading, or you're advanced trader, or you're just here chilling and learning, join in on the chat, guys. It's absolutely brilliant. Our community is really friendly and everyone don't mind just like chatting to everyone as well. Like, you don't have to feel uncomfortable or scared to talk or not have confidence. Just chat, guys. It's fun. And that your areas is actually started to creep up now. It's coming into your area. Would you really want to buy when the market's dumping like that? Maybe after these candles play out. Let's have a look where we are. We are right in your area, Annette. Right in your area. But look at that. Whatever happens, happens. Annette, what are you thinking might happen? Because if we close on a very strong candle, then is it worth looking at going long because you're breaking structure to the downside, slowly creeping up into that area? Or have you already entered into a trade and you're not told nobody? La 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 la. Just prepared buy orders on BTC, SOL, ETH, BNB. I hope they land in the coming weeks. Hopefully crypto TikToks, that would be good. So yeah, crypto TikToks, I came on your live yesterday. I couldn't stay on too long, but I did see you had Bitcoin open and stuff like that. Do you trade it live as well? Or do you just put on positions and then hold them like a swing trader for a very long time? I think going to grab that liquidity to pump up. I thought you were saying, I think I'm going to grab that cup of tea, but you're going to grab some liquidity at the bottom, right? Let's have a look. Douche. So look, we pushed up, consolidated. I think that's what the past few days we're trying to do, some real bullshit. Then you've pushed down, broke structure downside, retraced, pushed down again, retraced, broke structure to the downside again, retraced, pushed down, retraced, and now slowly, if this breaks down low like that, god damn, the dynamics in the trading industry will change forever. I just have to sit and wait right now. Probably give it till about 10 a.m. I'm chilling now. I'm actually just chilling. Let me see if I can take a payout today. If you just bear with me, guys. I want to see what happened last night. I'm not in a rush no more. I don't like rush trading. I was telling my cousin yesterday, even if I catch just 12 trades a month, that can be one trade a day for 12 days. In the whole 20 days a month trading, even if I miss 8 or 9 days and just catch 11 or 12 days of one trade a day, that makes me a profitable trader with my strategy. I don't need anything else, so I'm happy with that. If I go to the pro account, sorry guys, buy the dip. There's many people buying the dip, but I follow market structure, guys. I don't really buy dips and this and that, because to be fair, this retracement right now is not even like a big massive dip. It's just a retracement, because we can't even just push to all-time highs again like Annette is thinking she wants to buy. I want to buy a 200k, but what do you mean you want to buy another prop firm? Breakdown trade. I'm currently not in a trade. The trade that we were looking at is this here, but I actually didn't enter that trade, but that is the exact trade, and that is the model, the exact model that I go for. So had I even entered into that trade and let it run even till now, I would have made over $2,000, which is absolutely fucking crazy, just by risking $200. They're the motherfucking trades that I need to go for every day. Unless I don't see a setup like that, Mo, I don't take the trades no more. Crypto Talks, like I said the other day, I did 22 trades in 2024 and made more money than I did in 15 years working. Bro, I'm telling you about it. Is if you do it right, no need to day trade. Yeah, it's true, man. That's true as well. But it all depends on the type of trader you are, isn't it? I don't mind being like not so much heavily scalping, but more into day trading, but only taking like 8, 9, 10, maybe 12 trades in the month, but absolute banger trades. I'm happy doing that, because that will make me, that can make you a year's salary straight away, just trading fucking 8, 9, 10, 12 good days, 15 good days, or even if you just get fucking 20 good days in the whole fucking month. Imagine this one trade alone would make $2,000 plus. We don't know how much is going to keep going down or where it's going to retrace back up from, but right now this is how much this trade would have made, and that's people's month's salary. So that's what, in just a hour or so. So imagine if you do that across fucking 12 days. That's someone's probably year salary. Yeah, I want another FTMO account because I have 9 payouts from the 100k account now since February. Oh, okay. So you want to get another account and then copy trade the 2 accounts, or you just want to upgrade that one into, or you just want to combine 2 100ks into a 200k. What time frame is that? This is the 1 minute time frame. Muzamil. Annette Muzamil. 1 picosecond. 1. Right. If I draw my fib now, where would you start from? I would never. I never use them really, but should. Crypto Talks, gym time. See you later, friend. Yeah. Cool, man. Have a good workout, bro. Let me, if you've never used them before, let me just give you a quick break. Let me just draw something here. So this is how you do it. So it all depends on market structure and which way the market moves. Month May, 14 trades make more than you lost in the casino. So the strategy works, bro. Month May, 14 trades. But copy trading, yeah, absolutely, and I totally agree, Leroy. I totally agree with you there. No bullshit. So where are you going? Right, so imagine, yeah, just say the market's moving like this. Yeah, now you can see market was clearly going up. It retraced down, pushed up, retraced down into a discounted area, retraced up, but this area here, that's not in a discounted area, so that one don't count. But imagine now if price changed character to the downside, and now you're looking for a sell, yeah, so you'd get the fib and you'd wait for this candle to start retracing up. Yeah, And what you do is just from the swing high to the swing low, you mark it out and you just wait for price to go in a discounted area, into a nice discounted area. Then you'd want some sort of retracement, not retracement, another rejection from that area and a breaker structure to the downside. And yeah, that's how you do it. It's simple. It's not hard. There's many videos on YouTube, so if you just keep going through a few, just keep going through them, you'll actually find something. I had a long entry at 353, but I faded it since I usually don't trade during this time window. Yeah, Rick Royal, that happens, man. It happens. I sometimes do stuff like that on the New York session. So like, liquidity grabbed. Okay, let's have a look, Annette. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at where you're at. Let's go down to the higher time frame. So let's just look at the 30 for now. Okay, so you were saying this area here, wasn't you? You were saying the 390. You were looking. So this is at 390. That's where you would have started to get interested. Yeah. But then you were waiting for all this liquidity here to be swept. So now there is some sort of sweep here. Let's see what the next few candles are doing now. Let's see if it's going to continue, or is it going to continue pushing down. So you see, this is what it is, guys. This is what trading's all about. So you have to just wait patiently and just wait for a nice setup to come. That's when you trade. Let's see if I get destroyed or no. So a net up here, would you be looking at something like that? Is that what you would be looking at? Rick Royal, enter on 15s, 30s inverses, so I have to be quick. Haha. What YouTube video you recommend? There's so many out there, brother. Chop. I'm not going to say the full name because I get penalized for saying like rude words and stuff. So chop. There's many out there, bro. There are many out there. You just put you could even put it in chat GPT, ask the questions, and then translate the questions into videos. It does it all for you, and then you can add them into YouTube and find whatever you're looking for. Even on TikTok, there's many videos on TikTok. We got Boss Man from the corner shop day trading. We are in recession. Bro, which corner shop? And which Boss Man? Because I came from an IT background. I've never worked in no corner shop. What are you talking about? Sir Baines. Let's have a look at Sir Baines. Sir Baines. I was laughing because I'm actually a Baines as well. Zero Fader Reaper, please tell me you caught that short from 1 a.m. What 1 a.m. what time? Which part of the country are you from? No way, aha, just making a joke. That's why I was trying to look at your picture. I was like, do I know this Baines from somewhere? Because I'm actually a Baines myself. PST California. Okay, so that would have been 9 a.m. here. So 9 a.m. would have been around about here. So Zero Fader, the trade had already played out by this area. So Sir Baines, thank you very much for following. Yeah, so this trade had already played out by the time I got here. So if it's 1 a.m. in in California, it would have been 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. California time. That's when the entry would have started to play out. So, no, not 7:30. No, 7:30. No, it's 9 a.m. UK time. 1 a.m. Now I'm getting fucking confused. 1 minute. Let me just get this fucking right. Because these numbers, I'm already looking at 1 million numbers. 9 a.m. 8:30 a.m. GMT to California. Let's get this right. Let's give you the right time. What the fuck? $12:30 a.m. Sorry. Haha, my cousin. It would have been 12:30 a.m. That's when we would have caught this trade. And that 12:30 a.m. is London session opening time in the UK. Rick Royale, Annette 947, missed my entry, so give me a resweep first. I gotta know if we are related. Where are you from, Sir Baines? Where are you from? Which part of the country are you from? Or which country are you from? JK, catch one live, not show us from before. JK, how are we supposed to catch one live right now? We already spoke about this area here. JK, this is what you need to understand, yeah? You're not trading live with us. You've just joined. I've been here for the past hour. So either join in earlier or join us at 12 p.m. GMT New York session, because I will be leaving in 20 minutes. And we don't do replays. We're trading live market. So if you want, go to my YouTube channel and go on my live videos, or if you want, go on my TikTok videos, because I always upload something from there. Even Leroy's like, oh god, Rick Royal, Mr. Trump has told me the market will now pump. You Punjabi, Zero Fade Reaper. Yes, brother, we are Punjabi. I am Punjabi. Rick Royale, Annette Ellington. Wow. JK, how long have you been trading for? Trading's all about waiting patiently for a setup. So that if we take an entry about 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, half an hour ago, whenever, even 5 minutes ago, and my entry is done, finished with, and someone joins and says, oh, take an entry live. Bro, we can't just take an entry live. You don't just trade from anywhere. You have to wait for a perfect setup. JD Lifts. Thank you very much, Zero Fade Reaper. JD Lifts, did you have a Zoom call at 7 p.m. 2 days ago? No, I didn't. No. No. What would that call have been? Sila Babila, morning brother. How you doing, my brother? Sila, what part of the country are you from again, please? Annette Ellington. Well, just remember, I bought 390, so later when you come back, we see what happens. Okay, so you've... Remember, I bought at 390. Did you actually buy it at 390? Did you actually take the buy? And where did you put your stop loss, Annette? And then I will remember that for later on. And I'll see how much your trade would have played out. I bought at 390, yes. And where was your stop loss, Annette? Sila Babila, Wisconsin in USA. Right, made a quick $310 scalp. It's not much, but it's honest work. It's the honest and the fastest work. Guys, we always have so many people from all over the world, man. It's absolutely brilliant. Annette, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mark this area out so I don't forget, so I remember for later that you actually bought at 390. Boom. So there's the purple area marked. Let's see what happens with your trade, because yesterday your trade was absolutely bang on the money. Abbas took a buy from the liquidity sweep, but put it at break even. Have you gone break even? Okay. Hey Danny, how's the trading going? Yeah, it's going very well, thank you very much. I'm finally out of the buffer zone on take profit trader, and we're into the profits now on payout stages. So yeah, going very good. I could have actually taken a payout from here. I could have passed this trade today and I would have taken a $2,000 payout today. But yeah, I hit my Tradify payouts on my 50k today. Absolutely brilliant, my brother. How much trades were you, how much prop firms were you copy trading, lol cakes? What's your risk now that your buffer is built? Do you know what? I didn't drop it down too much, but I was risking 300 before, or 300 to 400 before, just trying to pass everything quick. But now my risk would be at $200. So like, this is the trade that I was talking about earlier. So this would have been the trade. This would have been the absolute banger, yeah. So this is how I would have risked it. So Rick Royal, if I just put this here, my stop loss would have been there. So just say risking about $200. That's about $201. Because price contract size is always changing. So yeah, but I would have been a bit more, a bit less, maybe, I don't know. But $200. And just say take profit. I just rode it down, let it rode down. That's $1,000 right there. I'd fucking kept it holded, bro. You're talking about $2,000 just from $200 risk. So I think I would keep it at $200. That's gonna be my risk now. I'm just gonna keep it at $200. Shit, even 200 to 400 profit across a few accounts is big money with consistency. 5 on Tradify, copy trading on 20 on Apex, but focusing on Tradify a bit more. Only 1k on each. So you done 5k, $5,000. Brilliant, bro. Yeah, you're right, Rick Royal. Even $200 to $400 across multiple accounts is great. It's absolutely brilliant. But it's still a bit of a high risk. But then again, on these prop firms, you only have a little bit to play with, though, don't you? Helen Rose, exactly how I'm trading this liquidity zone. My full plan is in bio. Okay, Helen, thank you very much. We don't do signals. So there's no point even trying to style out your signal and just word it differently, because it's still a signal. Rick Royal, 200 is solid though. Yes, it is solid. Normally I would have done $300 to $400, but because it's a $15,000, no, it's a 25k challenge, and now that is passed and I've done the buffer, you still only have the $1,500 maximum drawdown, maximum loss limit. So I just if I divide 1,500 by about 6, wait, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so 7. So the last trade I can risk $300, but other than that I'll just risk $200. So I get a good solid 7 trades out of it. Lol cakes, yeah, 5k for today. Took a bit of time, hit a few daily. No, wicked, bro, wicked. Lol cakes, absolutely brilliant. Annette Erlington, 947. I missed Top Step. Yeah, Top Steps is very nice. You should go on to it as well. You should try it. You should do some futures prop firms. Lol cakes, gotta grow, bro. Good luck with trades. Yes, well done for today, and well done again. Big round of applause from me and the team. Enjoy the rest of your day, bro. As long as I can lose 5 to 7 trades without blowing the accounts, I'm comfortable. Yeah, even with me, it's like I'm still at that stage where even if I take one loss, I stop going into shit mode. So I need to get out of that. Maybe that's because just because of back testing, maybe, or it shouldn't be, because I'm very confident in the strategy. I'm just still a bit of a dickhead when it comes to trading. Like patience. I'm still a bit of a fucking idiot when it comes to patience. Because that's when I will end up forcing the entry. Because I know, okay, if I just make my quick couple of $100 now, then I don't have to trade later on, or I don't have to stay sitting at the charts. It's that kind of mentality where it shouldn't be mentality like that. My stop loss is at 16200 points. Your stop loss is one. I don't get that. 16200 points. So if you entered at 3090, $16,200 points. Are you sure? Because 478 points is like that much. And that's 16,200 points down from 390. So all the way, like roughly all the way past all that area there. I don't understand that. Rick Royal, if I take a 1 to 6 today and a 1 to 1 tomorrow, it messes me up badly. Yes, I know what you mean. I know exactly what you mean, brother. Is that the psychology part of something to do with greed and wanting more? Yeah, that's why I stick to the similar consistent take profit size. Okay. I get that. I'm on MT5 trading US 100 cash, okay, which is why it's hard to explain the exact price. Okay, 1 second, let me just load up MT5. Let's see if I can. Oh, I have to log in though with a thing in it. Remember that noise from MT5? More. Oh, this is what my MT5 looks like, guys. You like it? This is what my colors used to be before, and then I changed the colors around. Let's later. Okay, let's show you how I used to trade on my MT. So if we go to US 100, the fuck is that? That's not US 100. What are you talking about? US 100. So does any of you guys actually even trade the US 2000, the Russell? Anybody trade that? Rick Royale, it's all foreign language to me. What are other names for US 100? There's NASDAQ. There's US 100. Guys, yeah, I can't bring it up on mine, Annette. I don't know why it's not finding it, but check this, Annette. Yeah, look at this tool that I've got on my MT5. Yeah, this is horror right now. Look, while that horror's going, look at this MT5 tool that I do use sometimes. So here it is. Yeah, so just say you click, just say you want to take a buy or a sell, but you want to execute it by let me just show you. So just say I want to use 20 lot size. Bring it here. Can't move it up and down on the screen though. I can only, let me just show you. So on that, what you can see there, so just load it up. So this is on MT5. Yeah, I don't like the way the charts move sometimes. You can't really move them everywhere. I need to sort my settings out. So yeah, just say I did whatever size I wanted to do and I was going for a buy. You can press this button here for buy and sell, so you can just change the direction, and then here you put your risk down. Just say I want to risk let me bring the size right back down to 15 lots or something. Yeah, just say you want to risk what, $2,700 or $3,000 or $4,000, whatever you want to risk there, and then you'll take profit there like that. And then on that tool here, then you just hit your buy or pending buy or sell, whatever you want to do. By pressing that round button, it goes to a sell. When I was showing you how to change position, and then that's a buy. And then you can calculate your risk to reward, your size and everything on that one tool. It's called Trade Manager on MT5. Absolutely fucking brilliant. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a very good tool. Just takes a bit of time getting used to, but once you get used to it, and you're always on MT5 on your computer or something, it's fucking brilliant. After I miss trades like this, then I get kind of annoyed and I'm like, fuck it, shall I even trade or take another entry? I've missed one beautiful trade as it is. And this was just nowhere near a retracement. And this is absolutely shit for you, isn't it, Annette? Feel like I'm gonna get destroyed. Annette, this is why I was saying earlier, I was like, it all depends on market structure, you know. Everything depends on market structure. So I got 15 minutes. This here, this wick here could have just been a fake out on the 15-minute time frame. So it looked like it swept all these liquidity here, but it pushed up, and then this was a fake out pushing up, and then look, it's just rejected. So this second candle closed like a rejection, and you knew price was just going to continue pushing down. That's why sometimes it's nice just to correlate the higher time frame with whichever time frame you're taking your entries on. If you look at the 1 hour, that changes the dynamics completely from liquidity sweep to fucking candles just motherfucking going. Now you could be aiming for these areas here, these areas here, maybe these areas here. So yeah, it all depends. It all depends, but everybody has their own strategy, everybody has their own game plan. Like one day it might not work out, but another day it might. You get me? 50% into stop loss. Don't worry, it might work out, it might not, but either way you're following your game plan. Be like, I'm gonna get destroyed and that. Think your bias is right, you just might be early. Possibly that could be another one as well. Right guys, there's nothing for me that's coming up, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna love you and leave you. I'm gonna shoot off for a little while, 2-hour break, maybe do some exercise, maybe just eat food and get fat, chill with family for a bit, and I'll be back on about 12 p.m. pre-New York session. Pre-2024 we are trading Nasdaq, and right now we're just finishing off. So we'll see you later guys, and yeah, if I see you guys later, I'll see you. If not, we'll probably grab a new bunch of people and join us later. See you later, Leroy, and well done with that trade. That was absolutely brilliant, bro. Bye, Annette. Bye, guys. See ya.